Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today we're back to crypto quiz from Revolut. They prepared new crypto quiz, so I show you how to answer for this. Go to section crypto, scroll to bottom, extra features, button learn, find Ethena, push on it, and we have two lessons. Let's start. Read about this, and if you're ready, we can go to crypto quiz. What is primary objective of Ethena? To develop a stable crypto native dollars called USDE. How does USDE maintain its stability? By using derivatives to hedge asset values. What is the Internet Bond? A globally accessible dollar-dominated rewards instruments. And submit. Done. So we can go to lesson number 2. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can go to the crypto quiz. First question: what is the purpose of locking ENA with Ethena? To boost potential future rewards and encourage long-term growth alignment. How much ENA is currently held in Pendle Finance PT ENA pools? 160 million ENA. What is the first use case for restaking pools for staked ENA? To prove economic security for crossing-chain transfer of the USDE, and submit. Done. We got our cryptocurrency, and we can check this. Scroll a little above to list our cryptocurrency, and like we see, we have ENA crypto tokens. If you want to see how to answer for the rest of the crypto quiz, go to my previous video. I explain it for all cryptocurrency quiz for Revolut. If you have any question, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.